The northern rainforests of South America are home to a very large arachnid. The biggest spider in the world comes in many colors, but only one size: monster size. The Goliath bird-eating spider is nearly 1 foot wide. Despite its name, it rarely eats birds. It mainly preys on frogs, insects, and rodents. And unlike regular-sized spiders, doesn't build a web to catch its victims. This giant tarantula is a stealth hunter, blending in with leaf litter on the forest floor. It ambushes its unsuspecting prey. It ranges from Venezuela, east to French Guiana, and south into Brazil. Super-sensitive hairs cover the Goliath's 8 legs. They pick up vibrations in the air created by movement from creatures around it. Fangs, almost an inch long, easily slice through flesh and at the same time inject a neurotoxic venom. It's a lethal bite. In the safety of its burrow, the Goliath bird eater consumes its meal. With no teeth to tear or chew, it regurgitates digestive juices onto its victim, which break down soft tissue and turns it into liquid. The giant spider then sucks the carcass dry. When it's finished, only bones, skin, and fur remain. The same fangs that kill prey are large enough to break through human skin. But fortunately, the venom produced by the Goliath is relatively non-toxic to us. A bite may cause some discomfort and swelling for a few hours. It only kills if the victim has an allergic reaction or if the wound becomes infected. The Goliath spider usually issues a series of warnings before it strikes. It rears up on its hind legs to make itself look even bigger, and rubs the hair on its legs together, emitting a hissing sound that can be heard up to 15 feet away. These barbed hairs can be irritating to the skin, but as far as spiders go, the Goliath may be big, but they're not our biggest problem when it comes to the creatures that bite, sting, and kill.